So hello future chartered accountants, welcome back to Being CA. So in this video, we will see how to download our admit cards. So firstly, we will go to our loving website which is ICAI.org. Now scroll down and click to so check to I have read and understood the above and undertake to abide the same. So check to the box and continue. So here is your admit card. So you have to download it or print it. So here are many pages. So now the question arises, कितने पेजेस प्रिंट करके एग्ज़ाम हॉल में लेकर जाने हैं. सो कई बच्चे सिर्फ एक ही पेज प्रिंट करके ले जाते हैं. एंड इन द फर्स्ट 3 एग्ज़ाम कुछ टीचर्स चेक ही नहीं करते हैं. एंड इन द लास्ट एग्ज़ाम उनको थोड़ी दिक्कत फेस करनी पड़ती है, विच डजेंट क्रिएट अ बिग इशू बट जब भी एक हेडेक है. सो फॉर द सेफर साइड, डाउनलोड फर्स्ट 3 pages of the admit card and print them. On the second page, there are options for your teacher to sign, which is for acknowledgement purpose only. So must carry first 2 pages of your admit card. So that's all for today, guys. Meet you in next video. Till then, subscribe to Being CA and all the best for your exams.
CA बन गेला भाई.